We are going to trade some options here on the options funding prop firm. 70% off. This is what it actually looks like here if we go to the options funding site. They use RixTrade as the software. So let's show you guys how to place a trade. We're just going to do SPY. The only thing is with this RixTrade is it doesn't have an actual chart, which to me is okay because I'm more swing trade options anyways. So I'll probably have my Robinhood in a separate tab or the stock just in another thing. Now, obviously, I would not use this Google thing, but you can see a little like line chart here. It doesn't really do anything. But for example, let's just do Tesla for the heck of it. Yeah, I can see it's kind of going down. It might even, I can't really tell, not looking at candlesticks, but it might bounce here or it's going to continue going down more than likely. So we're just going to do, for shits and giggles, to show you guys, we're going to do a put. So let's go and buy a put option here. So if you can click any single bid, ask, whatever you want, it doesn't matter. You can honestly click anywhere over here. I mean, I can click volume if I wanted to. But this, I clicked on a 734 strike price put. You can see right here, 734, that's a strike put. And I am buying it. I'm not going to be selling it. And this is one contract. One contract at what price? This is the bid and the ask. And I am on a market order right now, so it would be doing, well, more or less the more expensive one. So if you want to change it to a limit, you can do that here as well if you want to get a certain price. But we're just going to do one contract for now. Now, if you want to do just quick, if you're quick trading, you can do 5 contracts, 10 contracts, 25 contracts, which also changes up here. And then it says your total price down here. But for you guys, for now, we're just going to do one, and we're going to buy a long put. So you can see order filled. We bought it up top because this is all on my copy account. I'm doing this on 4 accounts right now. So we can clear this order. And then this is just a quick little option chain, which I'll go over some other time. But let's say I wanted to do 2 of these. You can do multiple different puts if you want, and they're all here. You can exit them if you change your mind. Or actually, sorry, I'm on SPY. I didn't even change it to Tesla. If you want to do a straddle or a strangle, you can go like this. If you want to do an iron condor, you can. A credit spread, anything you want. You can do all of that stuff on here. But we have an open position. Where is it? What the heck? And I was on the tomorrow expiration date, just so you know that. Also said it earlier. Well, let's go to the position tab, and you can see, luckily I only bought one, but we're down this percentage. So if you want to close it immediately, you hit this close right here. That's a market close button. So that's only if you want to, right now, you don't really care about the price. It's moving fast. You just want to get out of it. If you want to close it with a limit, you hit this, how many contracts, and then you put the price in that you would like it to get at. But remember, it might not do it right away depending how fast it's moving and what price you choose. You can go back to market here, choose how many orders. So let's say I had 10 contracts and I only wanted to sell half. I could choose 5 here instead of all 10. But we'll cancel this. If I want to add to this position, you can do that too with a market or a limit. So I can buy more puts in this case. This is dropping pretty fast, but it's okay. I'm just showing you guys. If I want to protect it, what I did before is I made a trailing stop. So you can choose how many dollar amount or percentage amount that if it goes up, the stock's going up, and it goes back down, it will automatically cut the trade. So if I want to do a dollar amount, you put $1. If the option price, this isn't the stock price, it's the option price, goes up and then down $1, it'll cut it out at the dollar. Or you choose a percentage, which is really nice. Or you can do the actual SPY price or your stock price here if you didn't want to do the option price. You can also put a stop loss at a percent. So let's say every single trade you want to enter, you don't want to take more than a 20% loss. Obviously, I'm more than that now. But let's say I didn't want to go below a 40% loss. I could go to this percent loss, and I can put the percent that I want. So if I wanted 40, I can do that. And then it even tells you this is what you get versus my entry. So the entry is 279 here, which also says here the entry, and then this is what it's currently at actually. So it's really nice how it's set up, but that just how that is. So honestly, I can attach this right now, then I won't go below 40% because it'll automatically execute the order because we do keep dropping here. I should have copied it from all the accounts. But then you can also hit a take profit. So if you want to take profit at, let's say, 20% every trade because you don't want to go to the moon, you can do that as well for the actual stock price, in this case SPY, or the option price. And you can do a dollar amount up or a percent gain. You can do either one. So that is how that works too. You can see we're getting close to our 40 now. It's going to probably automatically execute. Let's just actually see if this does. But otherwise, you can do all that buying and stuff here too in this little mini one. So you just choose your stock, your expiration date, the center at the money, click that, boom, this is what it is right now. And then same thing, you can click these. Oh, I'm buying a market call. If you don't want that, hit that little X. You want to buy market put, boom, here you go. All that stuff. So heck, yeah. Then you can just minimize it as well. And then you can get rid of that completely by hitting this quick chain. See, I must have did that stop wrong because, or maybe I didn't finalize it because I'm under 40%. It's not doing it. So I'm just going to close this right away here just because I'm showing you guys. But heck yeah. So that's a market close. We closed it. And then if we go into order, you can see our our loss here. This is what we're at for the day now because I just lost however much money. That was like $120 for each account because I'm copying them all. But yeah, you can see we got in at 154. Oh, yeah. Sorry about that. I canceled the automatic sell stop. I really don't know why it canceled here. I'm just kind of experimenting as well. So I bought it for $279, and when I did that market close, cancel at 154. I don't know why this got canceled, the stop, but it did for some reason. So I'll have to look into that. But either way, that's how you make a trade on this. Only bad fall is you don't have the actual graph, so you gotta go on something else. Like I will, when I'm trading this, I'll have Robinhood's graph probably right next to it is what I'll do. So anyways, let's get to the next video, but that is how to do the trade. This thing is skyrocketing up. That's why I just lost all that money because I got a put, should have got a call. And earlier I had this 734 call at $5, 5 cents. I would be up $2.50 right now in each, and I had 10 of those contracts. But I was playing around with the trailing stop, so it cut out at $5.50. So I still got a 45-cent gain. But I mean, right now we'd be up $2.50 almost. So anyways, let's get it and make some money together.